This is the heptagonal slice puzzle I came up with recently. It's maybe deeper than origin cut and maybe mix up. I'm not sure myself either, but I'll show you how it turns. So, in the solved state, these are the kind of cuts that are available. On all of the three axes, you can make turns like this. And after a turn, you can rotate this shallow cut as well as the maybe deeper than origin cut we had before, or this slice layer which has 7-fold symmetry. This is the only type of grip that has any kind of rotational symmetry actually. This is where the heptagonal slice name comes from. So, even though this is not a valid turn, it would be like turning a 3x3 like this. Here it doesn't really make sense, but in the solved state you can't really turn this layer or this middle slice, so you kind of have to turn it like this. So this fact that turning this grip is a valid move or not is a result of either bandaging or just the nature of this axis system. It's hard to argue which causes what, but regardless, it's a very weird puzzle, even though, as you could see in the beginning, it has a very simple mechanism. So I will leave it to you to decide for yourself if you count this as a mix-up or as a deeper than origin cut puzzle. I would like to think it's both. Maybe it's just one of them, or maybe it's neither. Let me know in the comments what you think.